Hello and welcome. Today we will learn about how to use the pivot table in Excel. So pivot table is a very useful tool when you have listed of items and listed of data. You need to elaborate, you need to find the data of relevant things. So here in my case is BOQ item. So BOQ item is list of item. So maybe this list in hundreds and thousands. So you want to find the amount quantity of these listed items. So let me show you how we can use the pivot table. Just go insert in Excel, insert tab and apply pivot table. You need to define the range of this pivot table. I just put this range. You can put your table and your requirement. Just check down and new worksheet. I will use this new worksheet. Okay, just check. So you can use this new worksheet for your table and you can use the same as well. So in my case, if I use new worksheet here, so just first I want to, let's suppose this item I want to use this filter. Just drag it into this filter portion. We have dragged here, this is our item. So now other I need to just check all these estimated quantities. So sum of the number, sum of the quantity, sum of the unit price. All these amounts here. So I just go and select my list of items already we have. Let's here. Okay. So this is sum of number we have only two. Sum of quantity three. So unit price we have this much and sum of estimated amount is this much. So likewise we can use for the floor dining one. Okay. And we can go for the multi selection also. Like I select here two and I select here three. So we can go the amounts in multi also. But we can use this item interest one share sum of quantity. This is our basic interest one. I have just selected two. And what about my pivot table? Sum of number two and this is three quantity three number two and quantity three. So from here quantity three unit price. Let me check this my original table. So this is for the interest war here 2.5 total budgeted estimated amount. So like here you can check estimated amount. So if you have a lot number of items there, so you can select by using this method of pivot table. So pivot table is very useful. Put in this location. You should keep the number same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me do first. Here is your pivot table. So let me choose and do the process for the pivot table item. I will select the oil item one here. So I put item in the figure. Okay. And I put all these quantities in check in the row in the values. Okay. So from here, if I put the filter here, this let's suppose I want to change another place of this is my sum of total number quantities estimated amount one unit price. So I just put the unit price in the sequence. Okay. Sum of quantity estimated amount should be here. Unit price should be here. I will put unit price up. So here is I'm using my total amount. So how I can use? So this is the way we can use the pivot table for our business. and power our do the analysis and data. So this is a we can do on the same sheet and also do the process with analysis. So pivot table is a very useful tool to understand data analysis and use the query method.